In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hiring pipeline in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable process you can use for every role, with all candidates, notes, and stages organized in one place. Start by logging into ClickUp and creating a dedicated space for recruiting. Open Spaces and choose Create Space. Then name it HR/Recruitment, so your team knows exactly where to work. Set permissions so HR team members and managers have access, while keeping everything secure and centralized. A clean space keeps your hiring data consistent and easy for collaborators to find. Inside that space, create a folder that will hold your openings. You can call it Job Openings or Hiring Pipeline. This will be the home for each role you're actively hiring for. Next, create a list for each position. Click New List and name it after the role and time period, like Software Engineer, Jan 2026. Using a clear naming convention makes reporting and future reference much easier. Each list will track applicants for that specific position. For each candidate, create a task. Name the task with the applicant's full name and assign it to the recruiter or hiring manager responsible for moving that person forward. This turns every applicant into a trackable unit of work, with ownership and accountability. Now, set up your pipeline using statuses. Create a progression that reflects your process. Applied, phone screen, interview scheduled, interview completed, offer made, hired, and rejected. Keep statuses mutually exclusive so it's always obvious where each applicant stands. Add custom fields to capture key details. Use a text field for contact information, an attachment or URL field for the resume or portfolio, a drop-down for position applied for, a date field for interview date, and a long text field for notes or feedback. Standardizing these fields ensures your data is consistent and easy to report on. Use views to stay on top of movement. Board View gives you a Kanban-style pipeline where you can drag applicants between stages. List View shows every candidate in a simple table. Calendar View helps you visualize interview dates. Table View lets you filter by position, status, or recruiter to triage priorities quickly. By the way, you'll find the link to ClickUp at the very top of the description so you can sign up on the web or download the desktop and mobile apps. Collaborate directly in each candidate's task. Add interview notes in comments and mention teammates to request feedback or handoffs. Keeping all discussion in the task maintains a clear audit trail. Finally, use dashboards to analyze performance. Track applicants per stage, conversion rates between steps, and time to hire so you can spot bottlenecks and improve your process over time. That's your hiring pipeline in ClickUp, organized, transparent, and scalable. Thanks for watching.